Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today is going to be a super quick video. I was headed to the grocery store, but I wanted to go through my fridge and just kind of get rid of all the stuff that was in there. I'd watched a video, or a couple videos this week on YouTube where people were cleaning out their fridges, and it's just like, I knew I needed to do that. It's been a while since I did mine. I had a bunch of stuff in there that just needed to get rid of, so I decided to go ahead and do it before I ran my errands today. So I'm going to go ahead and start by emptying everything out and getting rid of everything that I don't need or is expired, wipe everything down, and then put it all back. And then after that, I will be cleaning the rest of my kitchen up, getting rid of or washing the dishes and the Tupperware that's left in there that has the old food in it. That way everything looks back to normal, and that way when I get back from the store, I have a clean kitchen to cook dinner in and a clean kitchen to put my groceries away, and my fridge will be organized and all that good nonsense. If you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button, giving this video a like if you like what you see, and I'm going to go and let you guys jump into it, and I'm going to try not to talk too much throughout this.
We're like a ghost you can see but can't break. When words fail you, and all that you can do is look away. Yeah, and the image in my mind is burning each other down is pain. If you could only say it's you, always you, and baby, twist and I turn, babe, I'm lost to my core. I'm nothing alone, it's you I adore. Please say it's you, always you. Lord, I can hear your heart tonight. I can hear your heart tonight. I can feel it calling mine, calling mine. Lord, can't you see we'll break for life? Can't you see we'll break for life? Unless you see your heart in mine, heart in mine. If you could only say it, you, always you, and baby, I'm sorry too. I twist and I turn, babe, I'm lost to my core. I'm nothing alone, it's you I adore. Please say it's you, always you. Don't know what we have to do, but someone's gotta change. You got issues that makes you a fuss, but someone's gotta change. If we never ever met before, if I never opened up my door, yeah, 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 yeah. If we never ever got to start, if I never opened up my heart, yeah, 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 yeah. You're about to lose.
It's been about a week and a half now since my husband asked if I was going to be cleaning out the fridge for a video, and I was like, yes, just leave it, don't clean anything out of it, I'll get it all taken care of on a video. And then I just got busy with other things that I wanted to do, other cleaning parts of my house, but the fridge just sat here, so I have a lot of expired things. There is containers of leftovers that just never got eaten, and things that I tried to make for Tennyson that she just chose not to like and decided she wasn't going to eat it. So I have a lot of like old things that just need to come out. And I procrastinated on this for so long that today I finally was like, I'm going to do it, get it all cleaned out, get rid of all the nasty stuff. And I was so surprised with how much stuff didn't even need to be in there. Like when I put everything back, like in the main section of the fridge, my fridge was so empty.
If I never opened up my door, yeah, 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 yeah. If we never ever got to start, if I never opened up my heart, yeah, 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 yeah.
after everything was said and done, this is the destruction of my kitchen. All that stuff needs to be dumped out. All the stuff over there on the end needs to be dumped out, and then I have to throw it away and need to wash all the Tupperware and just get this section of my kitchen just back to normal. It drives me crazy when my sink has dishes in it, but it's like a never-ending cycle that I feel like we're constantly loading and unloading the dishwasher. Same thing with the bottles, like it's a constant cycle of cleaning bottles and just picking up the kitchen multiple times a day. It's one of those rooms, like my living room, that just gets dirty all day long. So I'm constantly having to like pick it up throughout the day and just try to keep it to where it doesn't get like excessively bad. To me, this is pretty bad, so I'm gonna make sure I get it taken care of.
Won't you sing out your frustration? Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed anyone around. I don't wanna be the one.
A nice clean sink that smells good is always like my favorite part of my cleaning routine. I love to clean the sink and just make everything look sparkly and make it all dry. But pretty much this is all I had to do today. I did clean up the rest of my house, but I just did it off video. I had to go to the grocery store and run a few errands, but I wanted to give you guys a little video to get you through the week before I do my whole house clean again. That should be coming out probably on a Thursday from here on out. I'm going to try to do that every Thursday from here on out. If you haven't yet, please consider that subscribe button, give this video a like, and thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.